Robert Kiyosaki has been saying it for decades. Savers are losers. If you're still keeping your money in a traditional savings account, you're playing a losing game. Why? Because our money isn't money anymore. It's currency. Governments are printing trillions of dollars, and every new dollar printed makes the one in your pocket worth less. Welcome back to Kiyosaki Finance Lab. Today, we're diving into the rich dad philosophy. We'll show you why keeping cash in the bank is a trap and reveal the 5 real assets the rich use to build generational wealth. Let's get started. For Kiyosaki, real estate is the ultimate asset, but not just any real estate. He's talking about income-producing real estate. Rich people use good debt to buy properties that put money in their pockets every month. While your cash in the bank loses value to inflation, your rental income and property value actually go up. In the Kiyosaki world, we don't want a big pile of cash. We want a constant stream of cash flow. Kiyosaki often calls gold and silver God's money. Paper money, fiat currency, can be printed at will, but gold and silver have intrinsic value. He recommends physical gold and silver as an insurance policy against a failing economy. If the banking system crashes tomorrow, your digital numbers in the bank might disappear, but your silver coins will still be worth something. According to the cash flow quadrant, moving from being an employee, E, to a business owner, B, is the key to freedom. The rich don't work for money, they build systems that work for them. Whether it's a physical business or a digital one, owning a system that generates profit is far safer than relying on the bank's measly 1% interest. Robert Kiyosaki is a big fan of commodities, especially energy. He often talks about his investments in oil wells. Why? Because no matter what happens to the stock market, the world still needs energy, food, and resources. Investing in the things people need is a classic rich dad move to stay ahead of the curve. The most important asset isn't gold or real estate, it's your mind. Kiyosaki says, your mind is your greatest asset, so be careful what you put into it. Without financial education, you can win the lottery and still end up broke. But with a high financial IQ, you can make money even in a market crash. That's exactly what we're building here at the lab. Stop being a saver and start being an investor. Don't let the bank lose your money for you. It's time to take control of your financial future. Which of these assets are you most interested in? Are you a gold bug or a real estate fan? Let us know in the comments. If you want more lessons from the world of Kiyosaki and high-level finance, make sure to subscribe to Kiyosaki Finance Lab. I'm Robert, and remember, the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. See you in the next video.